For more than 30 years, the team at XL Fluid Group has specialized in packaged pump stations, and we're excited to share our industry insights and experience with you and your team in a lunch and learn presentation. Hello, I'm Carl with XL, Vice President of Business Development. I want to provide you with further insight and on our lunch and learn presentation. This multimedia presentation we provide to civil engineers and contractors around packaged pump stations. We highlight the EFG process around the design, build, maintain theme and methodology, which helps you understand how we simplify the supply chain and reduce risk for the overall project from design through to installation. We provide insight and detail on some of the industry partners we work with to deliver packaged pump stations, as well as highlight some industry challenges that we can provide design insight and recommendations around for pump station projects in design. Further, we'll highlight our pump station range, the overview of that, and some industry examples where there was challenges, maybe value engineering benefits required or analysis required. We will provide lunch to you and your team, along with CEU and PDH certificates as required. Reach out to us today via the web form, send us an email, or give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.